A march and rally defending abortion rights is expected in Madison later tonight.
Let's check in with Mary Jo Ola. She joins us now live from the state capitol, where people have been showing up all day in response to this decision. Mary Jo?
Charles, that march and rally to defend abortion rights is expected to start within the hour here outside the Capitol. In the meantime, you can see the crowd behind me. This group has been quietly and slowly growing all day since we've been here, meeting at the Capitol steps, even ahead of any news about an organized march or demonstration. Now, we do have some video to show you from earlier since we've been here in Madison. The Capitol steps, as you probably can imagine, it's been a destination today for people who are feeling dejected about the Supreme Court's decision to reverse Roe v. Wade. When we got here earlier, we met women who felt compelled to come out here because of how they were feeling and trying to find some solidarity, people who are like-minded about what this decision means for them and for the country. Here's someone we talked with earlier. Hear what she had to say about how she's feeling.
I was actually on a call with my mom, and I had a news alert come up, and I opened it up, and I immediately just started crying as like a reaction, just kind of being scared of how our country's going back in the way of taking away women's rights.
Now, meanwhile, there are people who are celebrating the court's decision. We talked with the head of Wisconsin Family Action earlier today. She says that this is a day she's been longing for.
I didn't know that I would ever see it in my lifetime, to be honest. And it was momentous. And we're not gloating. This isn't a time for gloating. This is a time for rejoicing that we have what was wrongly decided in 1973 righted.
As we've talked about before, you know, the Wisconsin State Capitol here, this is a destination where people feel free and empowered to express how they're feeling on major issues. And we're going to see that play out tonight at 5 o'clock. We're expecting that march and rally to defend abortion rights. And then shortly after that, there's expected to be a vigil for people who are celebrating this news today. So we'll see kind of that freedom and empowerment to express how they're feeling about this major issue tonight here in Madison. Live in Madison, Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.
All right, Mary Jo will be following you throughout tonight in Madison.
Meanwhile,